Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off notification icons in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to notifications. And here go to advanced settings and here select show notifications icons. So what it means here three most recent is selected. So near this time notification icons are showing. So if you want to show number of notifications only, that means two notifications are available, that's showing here. If you want to if you don't want to get any notification icons, just select none and no notifications icon will be showing near the time here. So in this way you can easily turn off notifications icons near the timer here in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. Want to go to is just go to the settings, then go to notifications, then advanced settings, and here click on show notifications icons and select none. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.